Okay, I'm just going to do a bit of a walk, Besakih Beach Hotel to up around Sol on the Beach, Icon, that area. Okay, and it's 6:15 in the evening. So yeah, there's a Besakih pool. Right. Over there is the Besakih massage, $10 for an hour with Penny and the ladies. Absolutely wonderful. You can also hire a bike over here. A pedal fell off one of the bikes actually, so just check them before you do hire them. Okay, we're coming up to now Tajung Sari. I don't know if I'm saying that right. We had a meal here the other night. It was lovely. It was our most expensive meal of the whole holiday. But yeah, it's quite pretty. Yeah. So 6:15, yeah, lots of people out. It's a Sunday, so lots of locals around. I'm glowing a bit. I had a facial and a hair cream bath up at AU Spa, and it was wonderful. Now there's live music here at Memories. The guys are great to play here. And down later at the Gria, a band called Crazy Horse plays, and they play like AC/DC and just great stuff, and they're fucking unreal. Oh no, that's not the band that was playing the other night. I thought it was the same guys. No, the guys that played the other night here at Memories were really, really good. Just got to watch where I'm walking. Fresh coconut. Coming up to the gazebo. One of the old school hotels along the beach strip here. Seen better days. There's people staying here. People staying here. I really should take the camera off me so you can see the water. So this place here is being redeveloped. Yeah. And you know, the real estate's going gangbusters, so there's a lot of redevelopment and development. Okay, we're at Besakih, other old school hotel. So Besakih, Besakih, gazebo, Pineda View, sort of the old school hotels along the beach. Besakih being our favourite. Okay, Anjani too. Yeah, Anjani. I've never eaten there. Now this is it's called Magnum Residence, I think. It's sort of next door to the Icon. It's luxury residence, and of course it had to happen in Sanur because they're happening everywhere else in Bali. So yeah, plenty of people in Bali now, as you can see over there. But it is Sunday, lots of locals are out. It's their only day off. Okay, we're coming up to the Icon now. I have mixed feelings about Icon. I resented it being built, and now that I've been in it a few times, I actually quite like it there. So, I mean, you wouldn't go shopping in there. There's lots of luxury shops, which are the same price as what you'd get in Australia. But the food's good. We had fluffy pancakes, and they were awesome. They're in there, like Japanese fluffy pancakes. Really, really nice. Yeah, so it's pretty popular here. This is the old sandbar. So this is now the new sandbar. Lots of people hanging out here. I've lost my husband. So it's pumping. Sanur is pumping. I hope this is reasonably steady for you guys. There's other restaurants here that are not ready yet. I think one's a pizza place.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Have you looked into the market?
Oh, not at the moment, thanks.
Maybe after you pass the market down there.
Yeah, I know where it is. Thank you. Terima kasih. That is Kajora Sweets in there. Okay, the usual shops. Now this is Merino, formerly known as Benno's. It's been done up, and put the price up. It's just after sunset. I miss the sunset. Not that you see much of a sunset here in Sanur. It's the sunrise place. This is Kayu Manis. I actually don't think I've eaten here. I think I've had a drink. There's a guy setting up to play here. This is Sol on the Beach, one of my faves here in Sanur. Oh, it's packed. She's packed. Okay, sorry. There you go. Okay, Sol on the Beach is full up. This is where we were sort of planning. But Sunday night is always a bit hectic around here. So So this is Inner Sindhu. I think I said that right. Some sort of bugs flying around me. It's very pretty. I like it at night here. There's all the little shops. Some of them. Little dog. So we're coming up to Amphibia Seafood, which is a favourite for people who like seafood. You can smell it. I'm not a seafood eater, but yeah. I hope she's okay. That's the turtle place, turtle conservation. So they're cooking corn and all sorts of goodies. Smells delicious. Okay, this is Lutu's. We like to have breakfast here. That my husband's go-to for coffee. And AU Spa's in behind there, which is the best spa. My favourite hair cream bath. Yeah, this place I was thinking. See here? This place. So we're giving this place a go. It used to be Tootsies. That's what I think it was called. It was Tootsies. So, yep. Feet in the sand while we're having tea. Love it.